climate change and air pollution are serious threat. They require immediate changes to the way we produce and consume energy. Gnerzia support India's goal to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions that cause climate change to 40% below by 2030 and 80% below by 2050, to reduce air pollution that contribute to asthma and heart disease. The clean power and electrification pathway is a target for India to fight climate change and air pollution at the lowest possible cost. Creat work, breeding skills for Indians. The barriers in integrated proposal with 3 closing effect and electric. What's the plan now? Presently, increase the renewable energy resources like solar, wind and hydropower. Supported by energy storage, this clean power is used to track the biggest sources of air pollution and greenhouse gases. Transportation fueling at least 4 of stars, as well as trucks, buses and other vehicles. Deferred is electrifying up to 30% of all space and water heaters in energy efficient buildings. The battery also include the continuous growth faster on solar power and energy efficiency. These 3 elements of the clean how can electrification pathway and other state measures to reduce air pollution can remove 118 million metric tons of greenhouse gases are not to get India we need to be in 2030 and on the road to 2050.